Question 37. Tope bought X oranges at 5 naira each and some mangoes at 4 naira each. If she bought twice as many mangoes as oranges and spent at least 65 naira and at most 130 naira, find the range of values of X. Good. This is a question on inequality. So it's now leading us to optimization, that is minimum and maximum value, that is minimization and maximization. Though this is serving as a basis for linear programming, so but it's still, this is just a simple inequality. But when you understand this, this is what will be leading you to learn advanced mathematics, advanced further math. So good. We need to first understand something. They said Tope bought X oranges at 5 naira each. So each orange solution, each orange costs 5 naira. That means X oranges will cost 5 times X, that is 5X naira. That will cost 5X naira. So that means I will multiply 5 times X to get 5X naira. Now, and they said, and some mangoes, we don't know the amount of mangoes he bought. And they said each mango cost what? Each mango cost 4 naira. That's 4 naira each. So let's just put it like this, 4 naira each. Now, let's go. Yeah, but they gave us more information that if she bought twice as many mangoes as orange, twice as many mangoes as orange, it means for every one mango, for every one orange, she bought 2 mangoes. So she bought 2 mangoes. So that means, okay, sorry, excuse me. That what they are saying is that the amount of mango is X. She bought twice of that. So that means 2 times X is the number of mangoes bought. So the total of orange is X. That means mango will now be 2 times X. So X can be anything. So we are coming there. So 2 times X, that means 2X mangoes must be equal to 2X times each. What is number of each? That is 4. So that will give me 8X naira. That means the total amount spent to buy 2X mango is 8X. Now we move on. Moving on. Question now says, if he spent the maximum of, he spent at least 65 naira. At least means he can spend, it may be that he spent 65 or more. So that is at least. But when they say at most, that means he spent that amount or less than that amount. That's at most. Then at least means the minimum that he spent is 65. So, and it can be above. So to get that, we are going to use weak inequality of greater than or equal to. So that means if we add the total amount spent for orange, which is 5X, add it to the amount spent on mango, which is 8X, that should be greater than or equal to 65. That is at least. So it can be 65 or more than 65. So the second thing is that they also said, and at most 130 naira. It means it's either that he spent 130 or less. So that is 130, that will be less than or equal to 130. So we can have that one as 5X plus 8X less than or equal to 130. So let me have that there. So let me write that there. So from here, the next thing is to complete this solution. So I will solve each inequality separate. What is 5X plus 8X? That will give me 13X greater than or equal to 65. Or this one will also be 13X less than or equal to 130. So let's divide both sides by 13. Divide both sides by 13 here. Divide through by 13. 13, X equal to 13 here, 113 here, 5. So this will be greater than or equal to 5. Or x, 13 here, 13 here, x will be less than or equal to what? 13 here, 1, 13 here, 10. 10. So I want to put my inequality in this form. You know that if x is greater than or equal to 5, it means 5, this implies that 5 is less than or equal to x. Or this one, we don't need to do anything to this. X is less than or equal to 10. So I can combine the both of them to have 5 less than or equal to x, and this same x is less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. So this is how we can combine it. So the correct option is option C. Thank you.